overall sleekness. Sleek design, solid build. Holding the Redmi Note 13 5G, you notice its slim profile. It fits comfortably in hand, even for extended use. The power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor, is well positioned. The volume rockers are easy to reach. The phone boasts a 6.5-inch display. The bezels are thin, maximizing screen space. The front camera sits discreetly in a punch hole cutout. The phone feels sturdy, promising durability for everyday use. Power and performance. Delving into the specs. The Redmi Note 13 5G packs a punch with its specs. It comes with 6 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking. The 128 GB internal storage provides ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The camera is a highlight, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor. It captures stunning photos with vibrant colors and impressive detail. The display is equally impressive. It's an IPS LCD panel with sharp visuals and good color reproduction. Experience.